is $50. I'm going to leave it here. Yeah, somewhere here. So if you happen to be here in Nelson Bay, try to have a look in there. Maybe you're going to see it. Yeah, it's $50. Okay, that's it. We are going home now. We are just going inside to buy something. I don't know yet. This $4.99. And I'm going to take this. This is just $5.50. Yeah, this is 2 liters. We are again going to take 1 egg. Yeah, this is $3.50. 1 dozen. I don't know what else I'm going to take. Look at that. There are so many juices in here. So many juices. And soft drinks is actually on the other side. Yeah, we're going to take one. Where's that pineapple? Yeah, this is just $2.25. 1 liter. One more because I still have space in my backpack. Oh, look at this bike. These bikes are beautiful. Yeah, especially that one, mountain bike. Yeah, it's almost 10 minutes to 9 o'clock. I just arrived, and yeah, I did that thing, sharing that money, because I can't do it personally. I mean, I can't give it personally to people because I am scared. I am afraid of that moment of rejection. Yeah, I don't like that rejection. So yeah, that's the best way that I can share that money to people. Yeah. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, there's a little bit of a sprinkler of water at the moment. Looks like it is going to be a heavy rain. Already I can see from the other side, on the other islands, it's already raining. It looks like that. Yeah, you don't see the horizon, you don't see the other islands. Yesterday was not like this. Yesterday was very sunny and hot. Oh, there are still some people in there. They come for the beach swimming. So I think most of the tourists this time are in the house. They can't go out because it's almost raining. And this is how it is at the moment. Not so much people. There are a few. Maybe they are one family. Yeah, they are fishing. And the kids, they are playing. Oh yeah, I think they are family. That's the husband and wife. And these are the kids with their dogs. Yeah, there are still many people in the... Also here in the town. Oh, we go. It's going. Yo, already 4:15. I am feeling lazy, sleepy, but I am hungry. I'm actually preparing now my meal. The rice just cooked, and now I am frying this. This is garlic, onion, and oil. And I'm going to put some frozen green peas and carrots. Oh, also corn. I'm also going to put some of this shrimp paste. I'm going to put 2 eggs. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it's still a good afternoon even if it is raining. Today I finished at 2:15 when I signed out. We did 150 today. That's the very first time that is less than 100. Yeah, but in the previous month every day was always 200. And today I come to work at 5 o'clock. I have in mind that we are starting our duty at 5 o'clock. And then when I realized that, oh, today is Thursday, and I checked the roster and should be 6 o'clock. But I still come early, and because of that I did some other things. The sprinkle of water that is coming from the wheel is coming to my face. And you notice my pannier? Yeah, if you remember 2 weeks ago I bought this rain cover for the bag, for the backpack. Oh, there's one Jimny car. Yeah, that's my kind of car. If I'm going to buy a car, it would be something like that, or maybe that. I want an all-purpose car, a car that can go into the bush or in a rough road or in the city. Yeah, the flexible car. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, this is supposed to be the time for me to cross, but I was using the camera and now the cars are coming again. 3 cars, 4 cars. So we need to wait for them to go. Some more coming from there. Oh, now it's no more. Okay, just 2 cars and we go. And I'm now home. It's already 2:35 and I'm wet. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to reheat first the rice, so that while showering, the rice is ready. Yeah, it's already 2:44 and I already took a shower. And yeah, these are the things that I was showing you a while ago in the locker. Yeah, it's a sticko and a Grey Taste coffee. There are some more. 555 sardines, sky flakes, and a maling. Yeah, this luncheon meat, canned pork meat. Rafael went to Sydney and he stays in the house of Emil and Carmel. And yeah, they went to the grocery and bought this thing and gave it to me. Yeah, thank you Emil, thank you Carmel, thank you Rafael for this. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this will go to the freezer because I can't eat it all. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, still good afternoon even if it is raining. It is raining, not too heavy, but sure it is going to make me wet. It is totally, you don't see the other side, the other island. I will start recording in here because I am going to put this camera inside my backpack, inside my bag. Yo, it's already 3 o'clock. Yeah, 5 minutes. And I am now reheating this. Yeah, so basically that's the dried rice left over. Very small quantity, very small, almost nothing. But I put a lot of water and it's become more. I'm reheating that, and then I'm going to fry egg and that will be my lunch. It is already 7:20. I'm watching the current affairs and this is how it is outside. Yeah, I'm now preparing my dinner. So basically, it is raining, and then when I arrived this afternoon, around 3 o'clock, 3:30, I sleep, and I wake up at around already 6 o'clock. Yeah, I watch the news, and this is the next TV program now. I do believe I will be having a hard time to sleep tonight.